Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Miss Mo. My channel is to share ideas and to bring awareness about mental health to you. Remember to subscribe to my YouTube channel under my name, Molene Papin. Please like us on Facebook under Espace Réflexion page and my personal page. Please like, comment, subscribe, and share all the videos. The title today is Helping Your Child to Divorce or Separation. As a parent, you are responsible to help your child cope with divorce or being separated. What you have to remember is that being in a family all together for a child, it means that everyone is happy, even though there might be some conflicts among family members. When parents separate, children's lives also separate. You have to remember that. Now the child is in two different worlds, the world of the mother and the world of the father. In terms, teens already know that their parents are not perfect. But younger children, they have a tougher time dealing with the separation. For some of them, their behavior can spiral out of control because they don't know how to deal with the frustrations and feelings of abandonment that they are going through. Children of divorce, they are prone to behavioral, mental, psychological, and even academic problems. The divorce, the emotional impact, and the change in their lives are different according to their age. You have to remember that. Different age, it affects them in a different way. For example, for young children, they might become afraid. They probably thinking their parents might stop loving them too, just because they stop loving each other. And you would see that they might have behavioral issues. They might throw tantrums or they start fighting in school. That's a way to express their frustration. And for children in grade school, sometimes they blame themselves, thinking they did something wrong. And a lot of them, they may also experience anxiety and depressive symptoms. For teenagers, wow, this is the toughest one. Teenagers may feel angry and they can struggle to get used to the changes. They may even blame one parent. They may start engaging in sex early or start drinking alcohol. It's just a way for them to cope, but it's a negative way. It's not healthy. In some cases, there are kids that feel relieved that there will be less arguments, less fighting, and less stress in the house. So for parents, you need to minimize the conflict, because if you keep arguing with the other parent who's not in the house, your child is not going to feel safe. So you need to take care of that conflict. For parents, nobody knows why this has happened. You need to let your kids know that no one knows why this has happened. And you don't need your kids to figure out why it happens. You all have different story. Mom has a story, dad has a story. So it is not your child's role to figure out who's right or who's wrong. Don't try to be the best parent by blaming the other one. Okay? Don't try to do that. So there are some things that you as a parent, you can do after being divorced or after being separated. First, you need to focus on creating the most stable, the most sane, the most safe and the most loving environment you can in your world, meaning inside your house for your children. So if you are the father, you don't live in the house, it is also your job to create that safe and loving place for your child when they go to your house. The second thing, for both parents, you need to love your child. You need to show them that you are there for them and that you will always love them. The third thing, you need to encourage them to have a relationship with the other parent. For example, if they live in mom's house, mom, your job is to encourage your child to have a good relationship with his or her father. And if they live in dad's house, it's that same job for you that to encourage your child to have a relationship with mom. And there are some things as parents that you shouldn't do, because if you do them, you are not helping your children. First, do not make promises for the other parent. Don't say your dad is going to pick you up, your dad is going to buy you a phone, or your dad is going to take you to Disney. Don't do that. You make promises for yourself. Don't make promises for the other parent. The second thing, do not badmouth the other parent. Even if the other parent is bad mouthing you, don't do it. Don't do it, because it will destroy your child. The third thing, do not blame the other parent. Don't try to be the best parent. Just provide the love, the stable environment. Just as dad needs to provide that same loving and stable environment. The fourth thing, do not explain all the details of the nasty legal proceedings to your kids. Whatever that's going on in court, do not explain everything, how you guys are fighting for them, how dad doesn't want to pay child support, how mom wants more money. Do not explain the whole nasty arguments to your kids. Remember, there's a level for each age, okay? I guess that was the fifth thing. Do not cross-examine your child every time they get home from being at the other parent's house. What did you eat? Where did your dad take you? Who was in the house? Don't do that. Do not ask your children questions about what they did at the other house. Do not ask your child to be your messenger. So stop giving them messages for the other parents. They are not your messenger. You need the other parent, you need to call them. And if it's to the court system, I know they have an email. Email the other parent. Do it yourself. They are not your messenger. You are creating trouble for your kids. Do not ask your child to give messages. Do not ask your child to lie. Don't ask them to lie for you. If you have a bad attitude about the other parent, your child will figure it out. Even if you don't talk bad about dad or mom in front of your child, but if you have a bad attitude, they will pick it up. So listen to your kids. Be a parent. Help them adjust with the changes in their lives. Help them feel safe, secure, and loved. I also encourage you to have them talk to a therapist or a counselor. It's a big change in your child's life when you are separated or divorced from your partner. So you need to be there. You need to listen, because they have feelings, they have emotions that they need to let you know. Tell them you love them. And if you don't live with them in the same house, tell them that you will never abandon them. This is what I have for you today. Please continue to watch my videos. I have more videos coming up. If you're a parent, share this one with another parent. Again, this is Miss Mo. Continue to watch my vlog for my other videos.